Vusi Thembekwayo Biography, age, education, wife, net worth, awards, and contact detail. Vusi Thembekwayo Biography. Vusi Thembekwayo was born on March 21, 1985 in Benoni, Gauteng, South Africa. He is a South African entrepreneur, global keynote speaker and venture capitalist. Vusi Thembekwayo education background. 2015 to 2017, Executive MBA, Dean's List, Business/Managerial Economics from Ashridge Executive Education, Hult International Business School. 2010 to 2012, Corporate Finance, emphasis on advanced valuation, financial modeling and valuations, cum laude, from INSEAD. 2010 to 2011, Postgraduate Diploma in Business Administration, Postgraduate of Business Administration from Gordon Institute of Business Science. 2008 to 2009, Management Advanced Program, cum laude, Commerce from the University of the Witwatersrand. Career. At the age of 17 he was already ranked first in Africa for public speaking and went on to receive third place in the world at the English Speaking Union International Competition. He delivered his first professional talk in 2002. At the age of 22 he was offered a position at a corporate finance company. He refined his skills in corporate finance. Vusi Thembekwayo professional positions. April 2014, present, Chief Executive Officer of My Growth Fund. March 2013 to July 2014, Non-Executive Director of RBA Holdings Limited. July 2009, present, Managing Partner at Watermark Africa Fund. March 2007 to December 2010, Director, New Markets and Structured Income at Metcash. January 2004 to December 2007, Executive Director at Vusi Capital and Advisory Limited. July 2002, present, Global Business Speaker, MOTIV8 Merchant Services. Vusi Thembekwayo Awards. World's Best Speaker, English Speaking Union. Vusi Thembekwayo's Achievements. 2015, Top 12 International Speaker. Meeting SNet Editors 2015 Top 12 International Speaker Award. 2015, founded Iconoclast. A boutique, specialist public speaker representation management agency. 2014, founded My Growth Fund. My Growth Fund supports business people as they start, build, and grow their businesses by providing expert advice and implementation support across various disciplines. Closed round 1 of the Venture Capital Fund. 2014, Dragon on Dragon's Den Africa. Start as a dragon investor on the African edition of the popular reality TV series, Dragon's Den. 2014, joined NSA New York. Qualified to join the National Speakers Association of New York. 2014, founded the Inspiration Project, a tech-enabled narrative lab reshaping the story of Africa. 2013, founded MOTIV8, a specialist consulting and services agency of which Vusi serves as the managing director. 2013, appointed Non-Executive Director RBA Holdings Ltd. Appointed Non-Executive Director RBA Holdings Ltd. 2013, invited speaker at the World Bank. Only African speaker to speak by invitation at the World Bank. 2012, funded NCO founded Speakers Bootcamp. Speakers Bootcamp is for anyone looking to improve and master their public speaking ability. 2011, CO founded Watermark Capital Partners, a private equity firm focusing on mature, high-growth, medium-sized businesses looking for new opportunities across South, East and West African markets. Vusi serves as the Executive Chairman. 2011, Entrepreneur of the Year, finalist. Black Business Quarterly. 2010, New Business Division, Metcash Group. Successfully turned the new business division of Metcash Group into an R461 million a year turnover business, highest EBITDA before tax, in the group. 2010, appointed Director of Metcash Group. The youngest director of a multinational business, Metcash Group, turning over R17 billion a year, where he served on the operations board. 2009, distinction with cum laude, Wits Business School, top 3 student. Vusi Thembekwayo age. He was born on March 21, 1985. Vusi Thembekwayo net worth. He has an estimated net worth of $550 million. Vusi Thembekwayo wife. He got married in 2009 and he is blessed with a son. Vusi Thembekwayo contact details. Tel, +27 11 312 7551. Fax, +27 865 139 251. Email, bookings@vusi.co.za. Host, Ho Box 32613 Kyalami, 1684. Yeah.